Okay, welcome back to the layout in the garage, and we've added our extra loop or line on the outside. So we've extended the original layout with an extra loop which goes down there where Johnny is. Johnny's doing his lovely pointy bit with his finger, and then it comes probably a little bit fast for film. We've still got the R70 crossing, which we still haven't powered up, but we don't know whether we are yet. Now the only problem is we can't use our Royal Mail either set, because obviously the hooks are around the wrong way. Because we've added the extra line, the trains are running the wrong way, which we didn't realise. But you see all the trains are in the station. So Johnny, let's give this mammoth task a test, shall we? So we have cleaned all the track tonight. We've done a little bit of servicing on the engines as well. So hopefully, let's hope we can get them all to go at the same time. So this is the first time we've had a successful run, hopefully, touch wood, of 4 engines, 4 trains running on this layout. Right, you ready? Go on in. So that's Winston Churchill. There goes Britannia. Oh, so there goes Johnny's doing quite a job at the moment. He's trying to keep them all going at the same speed, and we've had a derailment by the looks of it already. Because I don't know whether anybody else has noticed, but that's running the wrong way as well. Okay, so that'll do. You're clever. Everybody can see that on the video. It's pretty cool. Bit of automatic uncoupling going on, and Johnny managed to shush it up. Brilliant. But people, this may be the end for this layout, because we're thinking of, okay, do you want to stop them in the station? Alright, leave them running in. What's the matter?
I can't get that front bogey on the approach.
Yeah, but this one's derailed as well. This one's derailed as well, mate. Try it. Oh, they've all derailed, John. So there you go, people. The joy of running trains. Right, take her forward slowly. Stop, 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 stop. You've got to start running her a bit slower through there. Oh, she's chuffing. Britannia's chuffy. To say 3 of these engines have got smoke units in. We've got Winston Churchill with and we've got the little LMS that's got a smoke unit as well. So there you go. It's because it's running the wrong way, I think, John. Yeah. Because that's the intake slope, isn't it? It should be running that way. But anyway, as I was trying to say, Johnny's just going to stop them into the station, I think. So there you go. So anyway, as we were saying, we're going to make a few changes. So it means some of this layout will go, but we want to try and keep the inner upper section. But we are thinking of, so this is the full catalogue. There you go. From 1959. So people, when Johnny finds the page, we've seen another layout we like the look of. And here she is. Or here it is. It's another illustration in the back of the catalogue. And it looks a bit different because we're thinking that maybe we can do this. We can definitely do the point work there. And then you've got this big upper section that's on the outside. So we're thinking of putting, where's the ground suspension bridge, John? Is it up there, mate? So yeah, we're thinking of putting this upper section. Obviously, we're not going to use standard grade track. Well, we might do. We'll see. We might try and do it with standard grade track. But there you go. See, it's a trying Hornby one, but never mind. So just leave that on there, John. So I know it's a trying Hornby one, but we would like to try, and it's got a Britannia on it, isn't it, John?
Yeah.
So we're going to try and incorporate the ground suspension bridge along the back there, because I think where baseboard is big enough, even if we have to, extend the track work out either end to get it in the back.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because then we can get rid of that crossing over there and keep all the crossings on the front of the layout because you can't see them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then obviously try and rework the track work into this. So where's the other catalogue? So what we're trying to do is try and make one layout out of these, incorporating these two layouts. That's what we'd like to do. Well, so there you go. Look, there's the first one we did, which obviously we've extended with this full line. So we've extended that there. Obviously, we've added a few extra points in over there to do it, but at least we have tried to extend this layout. I don't think we can go any further with it. So though it's been fun, what we'd like to do, as I was trying to say, is incorporate these two layouts. So I think we're going to go for it, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. So bye layout. It's your decision as well, mate. You've got a spider's web on your eyelid. So yeah, watch your space. It's all changing again. But that's for the joy of railways, I suppose. Nothing's set for permanent. And I'm so glad we haven't ballasted anything.
Yeah. And it just.
That's the joy of old railways, I suppose. You ain't got to mess around with ballasting and all that lot. But anyway, we'll keep you dated and the progress, and hopefully it all goes to plan. So hopefully we'll have something looking like that at some point in time. So bye for now, and see you on the other side. Oh, and thanks so much for watching.